Hello, and welcome to the AI for Job channel. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of generative AI and its diverse applications across various job sectors. Generative AI, a branch of artificial intelligence, empowers machines to create new and original content, such as text, images, audio, and video. This groundbreaking technology has already made significant inroads into various industries, transforming the way we work and live. Let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the different stages of artificial intelligence that laid the groundwork for Gen AI's amazing abilities. All right, so on the screen here, we have a roadmap of artificial intelligence broken down into 4 key stages. Let's zoom in and see how they evolved. First, early stage AI from 1950s to 1980s. This is where it all began. This era focused on what we call classical AI. Think rule-based systems and expert systems. These AI models relied on programmers explicitly defining every single step and rule they should follow. Think of them as following a giant recipe book. While these systems were groundbreaking for their time, they struggled to handle complex situations that weren't explicitly programmed. Second, machine learning stage from 1980s to present. This stage marked a turning point. Machine learning algorithms don't need a complete rulebook. Instead, they learn from data. The more data they're fed, the better they become at recognizing patterns and making predictions. This opened doors for a whole new generation of AI applications, including classification, regression, and clustering. Third, deep learning stage from 2000s to present. Deep learning is like machine learning on steroids. Inspired by the human brain, these models use complex neural networks to analyze massive amounts of data. They excel at tasks like image recognition and understanding human language, making them a game changer for fields like computer vision and natural language processing. Now, buckle up because this is where things get truly fascinating. Generative AI, or Gen AI, builds upon the power of both machine learning and deep learning. It doesn't just recognize patterns. It uses that knowledge to create entirely new things, like realistic images, creative text formats, or even new musical pieces. While there's no single agreed upon starting point, let's explore the key milestones that paved the way for this revolutionary technology. It's important to acknowledge that opinions differ on when the Gen AI era truly began. Some experts argue for earlier roots in AI research, while others pinpoint specific breakthroughs. However, there's a strong case to be made for a turning point around 2014 by the invention of 2 groundbreaking techniques, generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and variational autoencoders, or VAE, that significantly advanced Gen AI capabilities to not only analyze data, but also generate entirely new and creative content. While 2014 serves as a significant milestone, the story doesn't end there. Generative AI has flourished in recent years thanks to several crucial factors. Increased computing power. The ever-growing processing muscle of computers allows for training complex AI models that can handle massive datasets. Abundance of data. The explosion of digital data in recent years provides the fuel for AI models to learn and improve their generative capabilities. Advancements in deep learning techniques, inspired by the human brain, have become more sophisticated, enabling AI models to tackle intricate tasks like image and text generation. This is just the beginning of the generative AI story. In the next part of the video, we'll delve deeper into the exciting applications of Gen AI and explore how it's shaping our world. Gen AI has a wide range of applications across various industries and job sectors. Here are just a few examples of how this transformative technology is being used today. Marketing, such as personalized advertising, and dynamic content creation. Finance, including risk assessment and algorithmic trading. Medicine, for example, drug discovery and personalized treatment. Education, in particular personalized learning and intelligent tutoring. Customer service, such as chatbots and sentiment analysis. Engineering and design, including particular product design and material science. These examples merely scratch the surface of Gen AI's potential. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge, transforming the way we work and live. Many more exciting possibilities lie on the horizon. So, get ready to unleash your imagination and discover how Gen AI can empower you to achieve remarkable results. Share your ideas for generative AI applications in your job in the comments below. Like and share this video to help spread the word about generative AI. Don't miss out on future updates. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.